I've got some breaking news now. The Justice Department is moving to appeal the merger between AT&T and Time Warner. This a day after Charlie Gasparino broke the story. Charlie has more on the inside scoop from the Allen & Company media conference in Sun Valley, Idaho. Charlie, congratulations.
Thank you. And we got another exclusive interview with the CEO of Randall Stephenson, reacting exclusively to Fox Business on the Justice Department's move. Let's hear what he had to say. We actually broke it yesterday that they were thinking of doing this. They did it, meaning that they're going to try to break up the company, break up the merger. What's your thoughts?
I don't think many people are surprised that they filed to an appeal. Loser always has the opportunity or the right to appeal, and that's what they've chosen to do. The judge wrote a very thoughtful, very reasoned, very thorough order, and so we feel really good about where we are on appeal, so no surprise.
If you're a shareholder, how should you feel about this? I mean, it's technically two different companies anyway, right? This won't disturb the merger as it is.
Doesn't change. The merger's closed. We're about executing right now, so we're past all of that. This is in the lawyer's hands until they go to appeal.
Will you take this to the Supreme Court if that's where it goes?
Well, of course, but we don't anticipate that.
The D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals is interesting because there are a lot of more consumerist, left-leaning judges. Could you have a difficult time there?
No, we don't think so. I mean, it's going to be based on the law. And we've been to the court once, and we got an order based on the law, and so we'll take it to the circuit court now and see how the law evaluates it then. So we don't anticipate much of a problem.
How long do you think this will go on for?
I have no clue. I have really no idea.
So did you think you were going to come to Sun Valley and have this thrown at you?
Oh, we were expecting this, so who knew, right? No, nobody should be surprised at this.
Anyway, thank you for your time. You're good guy. Thank you.
All right.
Charles, that was Randall Stephenson's first interview reacting to the decision. As you know, I don't believe him that he was thinking he was coming here to get this thing thrown at him. I think he was doing kind of a victory lap here, but it did get thrown at him. Despite our reporting yesterday, I think he thought that the Solicitor General's office was going to block the deal. They did. The Solicitor General, the DOJ, did put up some resistance, but here we are. And I think one thing that I think he's not really admitting to is what he could face and what AT&T can face in the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals. It's a panel of judges that will be listening to this. That court is packed with a lot of left-leaning Obama appointees. Those are the types that agree with Elizabeth Warren, who frankly agreed with Donald Trump on this, that the AT&T Time Warner deal was bad for consumers. This is more than this is an existential threat to this merger. I think he's downplaying that, but you know, those are his thoughts right off the bat. And you know what else, Charles? We beat CNBC once again.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I thought it was interesting when they put out a headline like an hour ago about breaking news that you broke a long time ago. Before I let you go, buddy, he did say that the merger was closed. He seemed to suggest that the wheels of whatever it takes to put these mergers together, like maybe that will continue behind the scenes. Is that overly confident?
No, I don't think that is overly confident. And I think the Justice Department chose to do it this way rather than stay it before the merger closed, and then it would be tremendous confusion. Right now, remember, this is a vertical merger, and I was talking to some people in Justice about this. They believe this won't hurt the companies that much appealing it, unless, of course, they, you know, in the interim before it gets decided, because it's vertical. It's two separate companies. The companies will react as they will operate as they were largely operating before. Right. It's not like a horizontal merger where you're basically putting two of the same companies together, laying off people, combining departments. These are two separate companies. So Justice Department chose to go this way because it was limited impact on the companies. So I think he's right about this. Where I think he's dead wrong is on the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals. That is a crapshoot. You get two liberal judges of the three on the panel, they could agree and with the Trump administration and overturn this thing, and then it goes to the Supreme Court.